Let's get to Weather Watch 12. It is an alert day as Molly tracks that severe storm thread. We heard it from Mallory's report there just a minute ago. I mean, it's nice out there. It's warm. The sun's out. But that's really just fuel for more storms this evening.
It is. On days like today when we have the chance for severe storms, we like the clouds. It tempers that risk for strong to severe storms. I'm seeing some cloud development off to our southwest, but we're heating up fast. And more severe storms are looking not just possible, but likely later this afternoon and lasting into the evening. The time frame right now, our window for severe storms, 3 o'clock this afternoon through about 10 o'clock this evening. All kinds of severe weather will be possible. We always want this, but make sure you have ways to get watches and warnings to you no matter where you are this afternoon and evening, and that you take those warnings seriously. Hail is going to be one of the biggest concerns with storms that move in and move through later this afternoon. It could be golf ball sized hail, if not larger. Winds were the big concern overnight last night. I think we'll still have gusty winds, but they may not be quite as widespread. Still likely some gusts 65 to 70 miles per hour, and we could likely have a few tornadoes, especially if we start off with a few spotty isolated cells. There's a chance that there could be a few stronger tornadoes compared to the risk that we had along that line overnight last night. This is the risk for severe weather actually today. Notice all of southeastern Wisconsin is in the orange. That's a risk 3 out of 5, which means we have the ingredients in place in the atmosphere to fuel storms and bring us a higher potential for severe storms as early as about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So I know there's a lot of cleanup going on. We're dry. We're in the 70s right now, warming up likely into the mid and upper 70s for a lot of us this afternoon. It's cooler near the lake north of Milwaukee. We're going to cool off as those storms roll in. Some areas inland likely hit 80. It's this warm front that likely pushes a little bit farther north and just sits over southeastern Wisconsin, and it's along that front that we'll likely start to see storms fire up on later this afternoon. So we're going to go kind of hour by hour on Futurecast. Notice at 3 o'clock, it's pretty dry, but we're starting to see some activity. And very quickly, once storms start to fire up, they could become strong to severe. So you can see more of those cells as we head towards 5 o'clock and a lot more as we head towards 6. Eventually, we start to see more complexes of storms moving through. That would limit the risk for some stronger tornadoes, but hail and wind will still be a concern, as well as a few brief tornadoes. By 11 o'clock, the risk for severe weather does start to drop overnight tonight, but we'll likely see more rounds of rain and storms on the way overnight tonight and then lasting into the day tomorrow. The risk for severe weather tomorrow is lower, but we could see some hail and strong winds, and flooding is going to be a concern with all of the rain that we have had over the last 2 weeks. The soil is saturated, and more rain means it's not going to take as much rain to cause flooding concerns, both river flooding concerns as well as the potential for flash flooding. Tomorrow's risk for severe weather, almost all of southeastern Wisconsin is in the yellow. That's a risk 2 out of 5 for severe weather. Today is an alert day. Strong to severe storms are looking more and more likely as we head into the afternoon. Hail and even a few tornadoes are looking possible. Wind and flooding also big concerns heading into the afternoon. Tomorrow, hail and wind will be the biggest concerns with more storms in the forecast. And I know a lot of cleanup already. It's going to stick around for a few days. Fortunately, we're looking much drier come Thursday and Friday, but we could see another round of stronger storms Friday into Saturday.
Just a couple of days to get over and we can make it through.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right, Molly, thank you.